Hello everyone, it's Toby from Toby's Urbansketch, and today we're going to do a little tips and tricks video about getting that sense of depth and position using our line work. And I just want to get across two really simple ideas here. So what are our two rules about line work to get a sense of place and depth? Let's start with sense of depth. So if we draw a fun little still life, we draw a little wine bottle, and then maybe we have a wine glass here, and then we can pop another wine glass sort of overlapping this one. So these things are see-through, so you can see past them. You can not immediately tell from this drawing which is deeper, which is further back. There's a suggestion this one's taller, so maybe it's closer, but we don't really know. And what's the really simple trick that we can use to show how far away or close something is? It's the density of the line, the weight of the line. So what happens if we suddenly just bring this line to be really much more bold? And all I'm doing is pressing a little harder with my pen. Now do you see how that has jumped forwards? And we can even do the same with our wine bottle. If we just watch the wine bottle now, we'll just come forward, come towards us. So now we've definitely got something in the background, something in the foreground. And we could keep going, we could do it with other things. So if we use some grapes, we could do background grapes, and as we come forward, these grapes get bolder and bolder. And do you see how these grapes have shrunk back and these have come forward, even though they're all the same shape? It's also important just to add a horizon line, or so in this case probably the edge of the table, and that now starts to show you where things are sitting with respect to each other and to the image. And what's the other important thing about sense of place and depth? Well, it's the same consideration with line quality, with how bold our line is. If we do something really simple to the side here, if we just do a square, and we can do it a square in perspective, this square is sort of hovering, it's not got a place. Now partly that's because we don't have a horizon line, so the minute we join up our horizon line here, the square's got something to be sitting on, but it still could be floating. We don't really know, is this square sat here on the table level with these, or is it actually floating, and if you dropped it, it would hit the table somewhere here. Now a really easy way just to manipulate our line quality and get this box to be sat on the table is to make those lines which are weighty more weighted, so heavier. So now if we just make those lines bold, it sits this box bang on this table. There are other things we can do as well, like if we start giving it a shadow, that of course will sit it on the table. We can do the same with these here. And again, what we could do is just make this line a little bolder, so our wine glass is now sat down neatly on the table. So there's my two really simple, really easy tips for just varying your line weight to achieve sense of depth and place. Please let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give me some ideas for the kind of things you'd like me to show you in this kind of format, and of course leave a comment, subscribe if you enjoy my channel. Thank you very much for watching.